This is my install on a 2017 Ram 3500. That's the finished product. This is before the cap. The cap drills easy with a 3-inch hole saw. These are the tools that are required for a 2017. $18mm for the hub bolts. There's 4 of them. 24mm for the caliper bolts. 2 of them on each side. Need a breaker bar. The axle bolt is 1 5/16 inches. There's the axle nut. I use this setup here to break the axle nut. With the cheater, with the tire on. Inch and 5/16 on a 2017. It's not an 1 11/16 or 1 3/4. This is the old hub. I believe this is a 7mm for the sensor. And a torque wrench, 250 pound for the caliper bolts, 150 pound on the hub bolts. Everything else is straightforward like the other videos. The bucket was a good idea to set the caliper on. Good tip, Ram man. No need of tying it and wrestling with it. So that's about it. It's not hard, but it's not easy either. It is heavy stuff. And over and out.